Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to buy gift cards or Visa gift cards using crypto, Bitcoin, whatever you have as coins in your crypto wallets. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your browser. And from there guys, I will need you to go ahead and go to the URL section and search for eGifter. So, go here, search for eGifter and just like so, click on the first website that will appear for you. So here we go. And now guys, what I'm going to do is basically, if you don't have an account, just sign into your account. So you click here, sign up. You can sign up using Google or Facebook or even Amazon accounts. Now let's go back here and search for Visa. So we're gonna search here for Visa. And basically guys, this website actually gives you whatever kind of gift cards you want. So whatever company you'd like to get your gift cards from, you can get it from here. So now there is this 25 value, $50 value, and $100 value. So for example, if you want to go to $100, so here, please note Visa virtual cards cannot be added to a mobile wallet at this time and therefore cannot be used in stores. Cards are only for online use only, so they are only for the online use. Visa is working on a resolution to this issue. If you see instructions on the Visa site to add your card to your mobile wallet, note this feature may not be available yet. So click here, I understand, and then click on continue. And here you will choose with what kind of thing you want to pay with. So as you can see, there is multiple ways to pay with Apple Pay, credit card, and PayPal. And as you can see, at the moment, it is not purchasable. But when it's open to be purchasable, you will find here even the cryptocurrency. And also, for example, if you're in some country that won't allow the cryptocurrency, you will not find it. So I highly suggest you that you use some kind of VPN, for example, if you want to hear extensions, the extension, and you search for uh, Hola VPN, which is a VPN, really non-VPN, which is a really good VPN. It is really good. You can use it and go to this website, and then a cryptocurrency here will be open. So you just have to click there, put your wallet address, and then just send them the money, and you will receive the gift card code in your email. So yeah, guys, that's how you can buy a gift card for Visa using this website. Thanks a lot for watching, and see ya in this tutorial.